Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a horn on a Hyundai Sonata. First, let's check the fuse. Your Sonata has a fuse box, usually under the hood or dashboard. Find the horn fuse, often labeled horn or with a horn symbol, using your owner's manual. Pull it out and look for a broken wire. If it's blown, replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage, typically 10 or 15 amps. This simple step often resolves the issue quickly. Next, let's test the horn relay. This small component is also found in your Sonata's fuse box, usually close to the horn fuse. You can try swapping it with another identical relay from a non-essential system, like the fog lights, to see if the horn then works. If the horn sounds after the swap, you've found your culprit, and a new relay, costing around $10 to $20, is needed. Now, let's inspect the horn unit itself. On a Hyundai Sonata, the horns are usually located behind the front bumper or grille. You might need to remove a few clips or screws to access them. Disconnect the electrical connector and, using jumper wires, apply 12 volts directly from your car battery to the horn's terminals. If it doesn't honk, the horn unit is bad and needs replacing, which is a straightforward task. Finally, we'll check the wiring and consider the clock spring. Inspect all visible wires connected to the horn and relay for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion. A multimeter can help you check for continuity in the circuit. If all else fails, the clock spring inside your steering wheel might be the issue, especially if other steering wheel controls are also failing. This component can be more complex to replace, so professional help might be best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.